Welcome, fellow adventurers. Are you craving to explore the world but worried about breaking the bank? Fear not. In this video, we're unleashing the ultimate guide to adventurous travel on a budget. Get ready to embark on epic journeys without draining your wallet as we unveil 5 expert tips to make your Wanderlust dreams a reality. From insider hacks to budget-friendly destinations, we've got you covered. So, join us on this thrilling adventure and discover how to wander the globe without sacrificing your savings. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more travel tips and inspiration. Number 5. Plan ahead, save later. Maximize your adventure travel budget by adopting a strategic approach to planning. Start by researching destinations well in advance to identify budget-friendly options. Booking flights, accommodations, and activities early often yields significant savings. Keep an eye out for early booking discounts, package deals, and promotions. Additionally, flexibility with travel dates can unlock additional savings. By planning ahead, you not only secure better rates but also have the opportunity to explore various budget-friendly options for transportation, accommodation, and activities. This method ensures that you make the most of your funds while still experiencing the thrill of adventure travel. So, plan ahead, and watch your savings grow without compromising on the quality of your adventures. Number 4. Budget-friendly accommodations. Traveling on a budget doesn't mean sacrificing comfort. Opt for affordable accommodation options like hostels, guest houses, or homestays, which offer comfortable stays without breaking the bank. Hostels often provide communal areas for socializing, kitchen facilities for self-catering, and dormitory-style rooms for budget-conscious travelers. Guest houses offer a cozy atmosphere and a chance to connect with local hosts, while homestays provide authentic cultural experiences and a deeper immersion into the destination. Look for budget-friendly deals online, consider sharing rooms with fellow travelers to split costs, and explore alternative lodging options such as Airbnb or couchsurfing for unique and affordable stays. By choosing wisely, you can stretch your travel budget without compromising on quality or experiences. Number 3. Embrace local culture. Immersing oneself in the local culture while adventuring on a budget not only enriches the travel experience but also often comes with a smaller price tag. Opt for authentic street food over touristy restaurants, where prices are inflated. Engage with locals to discover hidden gems and gain insights into their way of life, often free of charge. Participate in cultural activities such as dance classes, cooking workshops, or traditional ceremonies, which offer unique experiences without breaking the bank. Additionally, exploring local markets and artisan stalls not only supports the community but also provides opportunities to purchase souvenirs at a fraction of the cost compared to tourist shops. By embracing local culture, adventurers can create unforgettable memories while keeping their wallets happy. Number 2. Pack light. Save big. Traveling light isn't just about convenience, it's also a savvy budgeting strategy. By carefully selecting versatile clothing and essentials, you can avoid excess baggage fees and streamline your journey. Opt for multi-purpose items like convertible clothing or a compact, durable backpack. Roll your clothes to save space and minimize wrinkles, and don't forget to pack travel-sized toiletries to avoid pricey airport purchases. Additionally, consider the climate and activities at your destination to pack efficiently without overloading. By mastering the art of packing light, you'll not only save money on luggage fees but also enjoy the freedom of mobility and spontaneity during your adventures. Number 1. Embrace off-peak seasons. Choosing to travel during off-peak seasons can significantly slash your expenses while enhancing your adventure. These periods typically offer lower prices for accommodations, attractions, and even airfare. Crowds are often thinner, allowing for a more intimate exploration of destinations. Plus, you're more likely to encounter locals rather than tourists, offering a richer cultural experience. Weather might not always be ideal, but with proper planning, you can still enjoy the wonders of your chosen destination. Embracing off-peak seasons not only saves money but also provides a unique perspective on popular destinations, making your budget adventure all the more memorable. Thanks for joining us on this adventure-packed journey where we've shared 5 invaluable tips for exploring the world on a budget. From smart planning to embracing local experiences, we've uncovered the secrets to adventurous travel without emptying your wallet. Remember, the world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered, and with the right mindset and strategies, you can make every adventure a reality. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and inspiration. Until next time, happy exploring!